Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Park the vehicle on level ground and engage the parking brake firmly. Chock the rear wheels before using a hydraulic jack to lift. Place jack stands at manufacturer-rated lift points and lower the car onto them slowly and securely. Remove the front wheels using a torque wrench and store lug nuts in a labeled container. If the cradle contacts fluid lines, drain or support lines to prevent spills and maintain a clean workspace. Support the engine and transmission with a hoist or floor jack and a wooden block to prevent torque tilt. Disconnect sway bar links, steering rack bolts, and lower control arm bolts as needed for cradle removal. Remove the cradle mounting bolts in a crossing pattern to avoid frame stress and carefully lower the subframe. Inspect the cradle for rust, cracks, and worn bushing bores using a flashlight and measuring calipers for accurate assessment. Use a hydraulic press or bushing removal kit to press out old cradle bushings safely. Clean the bore to remove rust and apply silicone or assembly lube as recommended for the new bushing material. Press in new polyurethane or OEM bushings, ensuring correct alignment and face orientation before full seating. Reinstall the cradle, torque all mounting bolts to manufacturer specifications, reconnect components, lower the car, and perform a slow test drive to check for noise or alignment issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.